Today's front clip is a 2021 Kia Forte. This one is going all the way to California. We are not afraid to ship anywhere. Nice clean front end. Cut like we normally do it. This one has a couple extra bits in it. We left the dash in it. Not common. We normally don't do that. However, this one probably had some sort of imperfection in it, so the customer gets a bonus. Hood, headlights, front cover, grills, everything's in good shape. Fenders, fender liners, splash shields are in there. I'll pop the hood, show you what is underneath. So also kind of typical, you'll find some motor mounts. They're not promised, but we don't inventory them, so if they're there and usable, we'll leave them in there as a bonus for you. ABS pump, that's pretty rare that that's in there. You see that hiding in the back. That's not very common. Master cylinder, hit or miss. Always included though is the fuse box. Inside this bag is the air filter housing, overflow bottle, washer tank, rad condenser fans, rad support, hood insulation, cowl cover, all that stuff is always there. AC lines and hoses. Also normally there. Our guys do a great job. We try to not cut anything. We disconnect. Save you all those little extra hassles of trying to find that stuff. If you have any questions or are looking for something in particular, let me know. I'm Jared, 800-222-2528. Thanks for watching.